History explorers, welcome back to another exciting episode. Today, we're venturing into the heart of ancient Mesoamerica to uncover the mysteries and marvels of the Maya, Aztecs, and Incas. These civilizations, known for their impressive architecture, advanced knowledge, and rich cultures, have left behind legacies that continue to fascinate us. Let's dive into their incredible stories together. The civilizations of Mesoamerica and the Andes were among the most advanced in the ancient world. Each had its own unique culture, achievements, and historical significance. Today, we'll explore the rise and fall of the Maya, the Aztecs, and the Incas, and discover what made these civilizations so remarkable. Ready to journey back in time? Let's go! Let's start with the Maya, a civilization that thrived in the rainforests of present-day Mexico, Guatemala, Belize, and Honduras from around 2000 BCE to the 16th century CE. The Maya are renowned for their sophisticated writing system, stunning architectural achievements, and advanced knowledge of astronomy and mathematics. The Maya built impressive city-states like Tikal, Palenque, and Chichen Itza, each with grand temples, palaces, and plazas. They developed the only fully developed writing system in pre-Columbian Americas, using hieroglyphs to record their history, rituals, and knowledge. The Maya calendar, which includes the long count calendar, is a testament to their astronomical expertise, accurately predicting solar and lunar eclipses. Despite their achievements, the Maya civilization began to decline around the 9th century, likely due to a combination of environmental factors, warfare, and internal strife. However, their cultural and scientific contributions remain influential to this day. Next, we have the Aztecs, who established their empire in the Valley of Mexico around the 14th century. The Aztec capital, Tenochtitlan, was a marvel of engineering, built on an island in Lake Texcoco. With its grand temples, bustling markets, and complex canals, Tenochtitlan was one of the largest and most impressive cities of its time. The Aztecs were fierce warriors and skilled diplomats, expanding their empire through a combination of military conquest and alliances. Their society was highly structured, with a strong emphasis on religion and rituals. The Great Temple, or Templo Mayor, was the center of religious life, where elaborate ceremonies and sacrifices were performed to honor their gods. The Aztec economy was based on agriculture, particularly the cultivation of maize, as well as tribute from conquered territories. They developed a complex system of chinampas, or floating gardens, to increase agricultural productivity. The arrival of Spanish conquistadors, led by Hernán Cortés in 1519, marked the beginning of the end for the Aztec Empire. Despite their fierce resistance, the Aztecs were ultimately defeated by the Spanish, aided by disease and alliances with other indigenous groups. Moving to South America, we encounter the Inca Empire, the largest empire in pre-Columbian America. The Incas ruled over a vast territory stretching from modern-day Colombia to Chile, with their capital in Cusco, Peru. The Incas are known for their incredible engineering feats, including the construction of Machu Picchu and an extensive network of roads and bridges that connected their vast empire. The Incas had no written language, but they used a system of knotted strings called quipu to keep records and communicate information. Their society was highly organized, with a strong central government that managed resources and labor efficiently. The Incas practiced terrace farming, which allowed them to cultivate crops on steep Andean slopes and maximize agricultural production. Religion played a central role in Inca society, with the worship of the sun god Inti being particularly important. The Incas built impressive temples such as the Coricancha and Cusco, dedicated to their gods. The Inca Empire, like the Aztecs, fell to Spanish conquistadors. Francisco Pizarro arrived in 1532, taking advantage of internal conflicts and using superior military technology to conquer the Incas. The fall of the Inca Empire marked the end of a remarkable civilization that had achieved great heights in engineering, agriculture, and governance. Today, we've explored the rich histories of the Maya, Aztecs, and Incas, three civilizations that shaped the cultural and historical landscape of the Americas. From their architectural marvels and advanced knowledge to their complex societies and eventual falls, these civilizations continue to captivate our imagination and inspire our understanding of human achievement. Thank you for joining me on this journey through the wonders of Mesoamerica. Which civilization's achievements do you find most fascinating? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more historical adventures. Next time, we'll explore the rise of Islam and the Caliphate Empire. Until then, keep exploring and stay curious.